Опять?
Я уже не удивлена.
У него же там проблемы какие-то, да, есть?
Но он ничего не говорил.
Ну, он нам не говорил, может, вам сказал?
Что-то я видел, что у него там проблемы, кажется.
С чем?
Кажется, и с компьютером, и с интернетом там. А где это писали? Я уже не помню. Что-то где-то я помню, что вот прям было. Или это Акбата говорила, или нет. Что-то.
Ну, не знаю.
А он скидывает вам лабораторки?
Да, скинул. Он-то лабораторку.
Он все скидывает, он просто не приходит на лекции. Или вообще онлайн. Давайте. Видео.
А он на другие приходил?
М-м.
На
Вообще
других тоже нет.
бесстыжий.
Так.
Мы, значит, приходим, тут сидим, друг друга слушаем. Но он не приходит.
Okay. So today we need to develop the second part of our Android video game. So as previously you have done the two activities, our main activity and splash activity. So what is the splash activity for, girls?
Какой for
What
activity?
is splash activity? Why did we create it?
Splash activity
Splash
Давай.
activity.
with the background of the application.
Yeah, so we created the splash activity as a start screen. Do you remember where we located our fish? So after the start screen passes, we go to the main. So it's like a loading screen. So when our game loads, we have a splash, this screen, and then we go to the main. So here what we wanted to create is we wanted to have the delay of 5 seconds. So here is sleep 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, we want to create the step to the main activity. So here we also have the catch and finally. So do you remember why is catch used for catch? And what does this string mean? Catch exception.
Там в течение 5 секунд, типа, оно загрузится.
Yes, it's true, but about the exception, if we have an error, so we have an exception. So this is like a general concept, try and catch error. Do you remember it?
Нет.
Я не помню,
Okay.
Кэти тоже вроде делал.
It's just in the programming. Maybe in C# you have this catch error.
Нет, я
Catch
помню, я это писала, но я не поняла, зачем.
So if you have an error,
А в видеоуроках разве такое было? Catch. Там же было просто в этом, в Xaml. Ой, не в Xaml, а в этом. Это же в C# написано. Мы такое же не писали. Ты до какого делала? До 4-го?
тут же
Видео.
Я сделала до 5-го видео.
Значит, я, видимо, не пришла.
вот тут вот splash layout. Мы создаем layout activity splash, и тут вот этот thread. So we have this thread for the activity splash, and when we run, so this is a run method. So this is a run method, and when everything is successful, we go to the start activity. Here it is. Okay. So the next we needed to create the image of the fish. That will be in the main window. So we created a new method of fish view where so here is the bitmap factory. So it's for Android Studio. This object has a property called decode resource, and here we use the resource from our folder air drawable fish, and the fish is the name of the image. So if you want, as I suggested, you can choose your own images, not the fish. You can use the cat, your dog, and your hamster as you want. So everything's and then we use draw. So we would like to draw this on our canvas. Canvas is where we locate our elements. So and here we have the coordinates 0, 0. So it means that our object will be located at the start point. So and no, it should be the color of it, but we don't have the color, we use the image. So image already has the so here we use our main activity, and in the main activity we created the object of this flying fish. So here it is. So here we created an object, and we located it on the content. So set content view and the name of the object game view. So on the next step, we needed to add more elements on the window. So here we have our fish. Just bitmap decode the drawable fish 1. So this is what we had on the previous step. And now we need to use a background image. So we use a background image here. This is the name of our file. So we set the color as it is a white. So the score pane score. So the text size. So the type of the face. So it will be bold. And also important, we wanted to, as it is a game, so here we had the array live, and there were two elements. When we have the live, it's the image hearts, and when we don't have the live, it is a hard gray. So just this is an example of the standard game condition when you have a life or you don't have a life. So just and here it is realized as if you have 2 or 3 lives, you will have these 2 elements. This one. And then we needed to draw it on our canvas. So here we defined our elements here on the flying fish class. And here we started to draw it. So first of all, we create the background image. So then we draw fish on it, like here. And we needed the score pane for the text. So as here we have the text, it is called score. So it will be located on these coordinates 20, or it is a horizontal, this like, and 60 is the vertical position. This starting from the left, so here left, and this position, the second position, starts from the top. So here is left, and here is the top position. And then we needed to locate our 3 wives. This one. Did you understand this part, girls?
Yes.
Okay. And this is how we have the when we run the emulator. So here you see it is located the 0, 0. The fish is here. This is our background. So the background, and here our lives. So this is how we located the elements on our start screen. So now your exercise will be to create the timer for splash screen, so you can choose any as you wish, not just the 5 seconds. You can have another value, and but don't make the value very large, because you will need to wait for more times than it is required, and just create from 5 maybe to 20 seconds, and it will be enough. So you can put the background image and the image of the fish, and you can change the fish as you wish. Maybe you can replace it with the animal you like. And also write the score and the life icons. So this is your assignment.